Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Wednesday, May 20th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we are still at all-time highs after the Fed announcement. It's Fed day, by the way, and the market did make a new intraday all-time high. After that announcement. We only trade in the morning at Futures Trading Coach in the call room, and I'm going to show you what we did today. Today, as you'll note here, we identified levels to the upside and levels to the downside. This line here, these lines were here before the room even opened. In fact, before anybody even logged into the room. Market opened up, they took it straight down. There was a possibility to get short somewhere in here, but it wasn't anything we took because it was right at the market on open, and we're always kind of cautious around that time. It's just like news. We did have a ZL. We got long on a ZL, and that was after the 839 candle. Now, what happened is we managed the trades, rather tightly in the room. For people who know the methodology, you can be a little bit looser with it. But what happened here is we took about half off at a point, and we went -1, and we would have been taken out of that trade. So realistically, unless a trader took everything off or was just a one-lot trader, of course you could have made a point, but anybody who tried to hold break even. For larger size traders, if you're trading 5-6 contracts, let's say you're trading 6 and you took 4 off at a point, you still of course would have made some money. So small green, point max, break even for some traders as well. That was the first trade. Second trade, we had a ZL short 21.2550, okay, and you'll see that trade worked out for about 3 to 4 points, okay, down here, okay. For those people who got out of the trade or didn't take it, I did offer an add-on. That ZL came at right after the 942 candle, okay, 942 candle. And then we had an add-on. We had what we call an understanding trade, and that was at 10:30. Okay, on the 10:30 candle here, we got short around 21.24, 21.2375, and again that worked out for a couple points. So we had 3 trades today. 2 solid winners, and this one small winner, best case. The way it was managed, and that's it. Okay. Now we did have these targets hit. By the way, market was just waiting to do this. Now they could have done this before before the Fed announcement, taking care of business up here and then came back down. They did not do that. It was obviously rather slow, not a lot of volume today, but they did do that. Okay, and you'll note here this was at 21.28. They came right up to the 21.28, failed, hit that target. Okay, and then once they got above the 21.28, they did hit our targets right up here at 21.32. 31.75 was where I had people. Had we gotten into a long trade for a 32 target, and that was pretty much almost the high of the day. Now again, we were not in this because the room was closed, but it's important to recognize that we do know where our levels are and things like that. Same thing to the downside here. That was pretty much the low of the day on a closing basis, besides this one little tick right here on this red candle. So we're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow. Until then, guys, I want everybody to have a great day, and we'll see you back tomorrow.